Hi, this is Sylvie, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get to Google Classroom Classwork. So, there are a few ways to get to Google Classroom. One way I have shown already, you go through Quick Links, then Student Dashboard, and then Google Classroom. But another way is to open a new tab, then go to the waffle icon up here, and then you can click Google Classroom. Now you can open any one of your classes to see all your classes. Right now I'm in the stream so you can see all the comments. And now I'm going over one to Classwork. Here are all your topics, the ones that are bigger and with a line underneath them. Like here is virtual class Zoom links, that's one topic. Chinese New Year in school is another topic. But Zoom link for virtual class is an assignment, and in-person and virtual Vikings for 212 is an assignment. To get to a different topic, as in like if I wanted to get to Chinese New Year at home, like if I were trying to find an assignment in there but I couldn't find it, I would just click that topic here and it would show me all the assignments so I could read through and find the assignment I needed. Now you can go to the class drive folder, which pretty much shows all the documents that have been assigned or posted in this class. Another thing you can do is go to Google Calendar, which I think will be explained in a different video, so I'm not going to say that. Here you can view your work, where you can see all your assignments so you can find your grades, like turned in, assigned, or any number is what you want to look for. Also, you can look for missing assignments here. You can look for returned assignments when you're looking here. If you see any of these comment buttons, that means that a teacher gave you a comment. That means it's a private comment, not a class comment. So if you're wondering if your teacher gave you a reason for a lower grade, you could go to returned and then find a message. That's all. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.